I'm Michael Lebby. I'm the CEO of Lightwave Logic, which is a company doing optical polymer modulators. But today I'm here at Photonics West, and it's one of the biggest photonics show in the world. Probably 20 to 30,000 people here. And I'm here representing both Lightwave Logic and my role in helping the European Commission's pilot lines in photonics. You can see behind me on the screen here, there's a number of pilot lines that have been started and generated by the European Commission in order to increase the potential of European-based manufacturing in photonics, especially integrated photonics. And the good news today is I'm standing in the booth by EPIC, which is the trade association for Europe, and the whole of the background of the booth is set up for the pilot lines. And so one of the things as an industry person who attends this show is the visibility that EPIC is giving the pilot lines today. And I think we can see on the back of the screen here, there's 4 established pilot lines, and there's 2 new ones, freeform optics and medical fabrication using silicon photonics. This is really, really exciting. And I guess the big picture from my standpoint is how do we as a community get more exposed to what Europe is doing in integrated photonics? And certainly this show is a very good vehicle for that. But my role is to actually help and assist the pilot lines in becoming self-sustainable and commercial. And if we think about this from a 20,000 foot perspective, what does a pilot line do? Really what it does is it takes advanced photonics technology and makes more of them. So we're talking about lots of prototypes and increasing the numbers of prototypes and actually be able to help SMEs, small and medium-sized enterprises, as well as tier 1 companies in providing a manufacturing vehicle for volume in photonics in Europe. And we now have 6 pilot lines that are very active. And already I attended a couple of meetings here to do with the pilot lines, the pilot line breakfast, as well as some other meetings, and there's a lot of interest. So the good news from my perspective is Europe is actually gaining a lot of interest in this photonics technology, which is really exciting. And one of the groups that's really providing great support is the EPIC Trade Association. And so I'm standing in the EPIC Trade Association booth, and this is actually really exciting.